Find the best motorcycle gloves on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best motorcycle gloves on the market. 5. Joe Rocket Men's Eclipse Gloves, Black. Conductive material for operating touchscreen devices. Utility-grade poly, span chassis for durability and reliability. TPR reinforced knuckle for extra portion. Pre-curved design for improved handling. Padded leather palm for the best protection and comfort. 4. TitanOPS Gear Hard Knuckle Military Outdoor Motorcycle Gloves. Full finger design for preventing injuries, cut and protecting the knuckles. Microfiber and nylon material for comfort. Leather lycra, nylon, extra stitching. Keeps hands warm but also breathes well. Reinforced palm for toughness and added protection. Adjustable wrist strap for extra flexibility. 3. FREETOO Military Tactical Motorcycle Gloves for Men. Heavy-duty construction for protection against scratches, abrasions, and knocks. Adjustable wrist velcro for varying the fit and comfort. Breathable material stops excessive sweating and odor. Dual-layer synthetic leather for strength and durability. Anti-skid gridding on palm for a firm grip. Knuckle padding, reinforced palm, and double stitching for reliability and long life. 2. Droily Designs Men's Motorcycle Gloves Blue, 2X Large. 2X Large to fit on medium and large hands. Lycra spandex material for elasticity and easy wearing and removal. Synthetic Clarino suede for an elegant look. Mesh fabric at the palm for good air circulation. 1. COPOZZ Motorcycle Gloves for Men and Women. Waterproof material for keeping the hands extra dry. Breathable fabric and design prevents sweat hands. Moisture wicking for absorbing sweat and moisture. Windproof double lock for added protection. Glove hand back zip pocket for holding money, keys, credit cards, and other valuables. Compact size to suit adults and kids. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.